Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Reese52 that is all about DIY electronics projects with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, ESP8266 and other popular boards. In today's tutorial, we are making a smart medicine reminder. The application of smart medicine reminder is very widely used by patients at home, doctor, at hospitals and at many other places to take medicine on time. We are making a simple medicine reminder using Arduino which reminds to take medicine 1 or 2 or 3 times a day. The time slot can be selected using push buttons. Also it shows current date and time. So let's get started. You will need a Arduino with USB cable, a B10 buzzer, a breadboard, single stand wire or hookup wire, 10K potentiometer, RTC DS3231 module, 10K resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor, push button, a LED, 16x2 LCD display and some male to male and male to female jumper wires. You can purchase all these components from our website reese52.com and the link given in the description. So, before making a circuit, let's take a quick look at DS3231 module. RTC means real-time clock. RTC module are simply time and date remembering system which have battery setup, which is the absence of external power keeps the module running. This keeps the time and date up to date, so we can have accurate time and date from RTC module whatever we want. This DS3231 is a 6-terminal device. Out of them, 4 pins that are VCC, ground, SDA, SCL. Here SDA and SCL are serial data pins for I2C interface. The required operating voltage for this module is 2.3 volt to 5.5 volt. It can operate on low voltage also. So this is our circuit. Now start making this. Now connect the VCC or the 5-volt pin of Arduino Uno with the positive rail on the breadboard for making further VCC connections. Similarly, connect the ground pin of Arduino Uno with the negative rail on the breadboard for further ground connections. Connect the first pin, that is the VSS pin, with the negative rail on the breadboard. Now connect the second pin, that is VDD pin. Connect it to the positive rail on the breadboard. Now attach a potentiometer with the breadboard. Now connect the third pin of LCD display with the middle pin, that is the data pin of potentiometer. Now connect the first leg of potentiometer with the positive rail on the breadboard. Then connect the third leg of potentiometer with the negative rail on the breadboard. Now connect the RS pin of LCD, that is the fourth pin, with the 12th pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect the fifth pin, that is the RW pin. Connect it to the ground rail on the breadboard. Now connect the E pin, that is enable pin. Connect it to the 11th pin of Arduino Uno. Now connect the D4 pin of LCD display with the 6th number pin, that is the digital pin 6 of Arduino Uno. Then connect the D5 pin with the digital 5 pin of Arduino Uno. Connect the D6 pin with the D4 pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect D7 pin with the digital pin 3 of Arduino Uno. Connect the anode pin of the LCD display to the positive rail on the breadboard via 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now connect the cathode pin with the ground rail on the breadboard. Now attach the RTC module with the breadboard. You can see the first pin is ground, then second pin is VCC, third pin is SDA and fourth pin SCL. We will connect these 4 pins. So attach with the breadboard. Connect the first pin, that is the ground pin, with the ground rail on the breadboard. Now connect the second pin, that is the VCC pin. Connect it to the positive rail on the breadboard. Now connect the third pin, that is the SDA pin of RTC module. Connect it to the analog 4 pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect the fourth pin, that is the SCL pin, that is also an I2C pin. Connect it to the analog 5 pin of Arduino Uno. Now attach the push button with the breadboard. Here you can see, here the first connected side are internally connected, and similarly the other side of push button are internally connected. So now attach with the breadboard. Now connect all the internally connected one side of all the push button with the ground rail on the breadboard for making common ground connection. Then connect another internally connected side of all the push button with the positive rail on the breadboard via 10 kilo ohm resistor. Now connect the another side where the 10 kilo ohm resistor is connected. Connect with the digital pin of the Arduino. So connect the first push button with the D7 pin, that is the digital pin 7 of Arduino Uno. Now connect the second push button with the D8 pin, that is the digital pin 8 of Arduino Uno. Connect the third push button with the D9 pin of Arduino Uno. In the last, connect the fourth push button with the analog 0, that is here of Arduino Uno. Now in the last, connect this buzzer. The positive leg is the longer leg and the negative leg is the shorter leg. So connect it to the breadboard. Here we are using a buzzer because we are making a alarm indicator. You can use a LED. So connected the positive terminal of the buzzer with the digital 13 pin of Arduino Uno. Then connect the negative terminal of the buzzer with the negative rail on the breadboard. So as you can see, the circuit is completed. So this is our complete code. But before uploading the code, you need to install all the libraries given here. So we will download the RTC library from the GitHub community. So go to the page and click to clone or download and download the zip file. So you can see the library is downloaded. Now back to the Arduino code. So now to include the library, go to Sketch, then click to include library and click to add.zip library. Go to the downloaded folder. So here it is the library. As you can see, the library is added. We have already installed this RTC library master. So now upload the code. As you can see, the code is completely uploaded. So this pill reminder alarm is powered using 5-volt supply. When it first boots up, it shows a welcome message at welcome to REES52 medicine reminder. The LCD screen is set to cycle in 3 screens. The first screen shows message as stay healthy, get well soon. You can customize it. The second screen is a help screen which tells to press select push button to select any one time slot to remind once, twice, thrice in a day. The time slot is changeable in program and can be configured accordingly. Right now we have fixed into 3 duration, that is 8 AM, the second is current time, and 8 PM in the night. We have decided time slots into 3 modes. Mode 1 select to take medicine once day at 8 AM when user presses first push button. Mode 2 for current time. Mode 3 to take medicine thrice a day at night when the user press third push button. So when user select desired slot by pressing the push button, the user input is recorded. So when time is matched with selected time slot, then the buzzer start beeping. User can stop the button by pressing this stop button. The same process continues for the next slot reminder. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel to get more video updates.